Best Home Far Infrared Sauna. Number 1. Dynamic Home Far Infrared Sauna. Home sauna is made to accommodate 2 people to share calming spa days and to make relaxing a breeze. Made with 6 dynamic low EMF far infrared carbon heating panels to provide an even, calming heat. Natural reforest Canadian hemlock wood construction with a clear tinted glass door and side windows offers an attractive look to complement home decor. Soft touch control panel and an LED display allow for easy use, while the built-in MP3O connection with speakers adds an extra level of calming energy. Wide, soft heat evenly distributed throughout the sauna makes for an ideal experience that is energy efficient for optimal use of your home's energy. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. LTCC DSS Home Far Infrared Sauna. 2-person infrared sauna in natural Canadian hemlock wood. Internal dimensions for 2 persons. Applicable height 59 to 75 inches. Seat weight 660 pounds. Top part ceiling vents, suitable for indoor use. 9 low EMF heating plates, 1750 watts power. 10 to 15 minutes fast heating. 2 premium 12 volts 4 inches music speakers. Bluetooth connects to smartphone. Allows you to read and listen to music while enjoying your sauna. Infrared home sauna can heat the temperature through far infrared rays, relax muscles, relieve joint pain and promote sleep. Dry sauna, no need to deal with steam after use. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Heat Wave Home Far Infrared Sauna. Enjoy the benefits of regular sauna use right in your own home. This 2-person sauna offers the ultimate in luxury, with a spacious interior that allows you to relax with ease. An integrated audio system provides crystal clear sound. Relieves muscle and joint pain. Far infrared heat rejuvenates your body by warming your core temperature, loosening your muscles and easing joint pain. Each heater is perfectly positioned to provide steady heat throughout your body. Canadian hemlock construction. Eastern hemlock scar-resistant and hypoallergenic properties make it the ideal wood for sauna construction. This durable wood is an excellent insulator, keeping your heat contained within your sauna room. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Maxis Home Far Infrared Sauna. 4 Maxis PureTech Near Zero EMF Far IR carbon panels, 2 near IR elements, exterior accent lighting, interior chromotherapy color lighting system, interior and exterior LED control panel, built-in FM CD radio with Bluetooth, MP3 auxiliary, USB, SD connection and 2 speakers, electrical service 110 volts/15 amp plug and play, indoor use only. Natural reforested Canadian red cedar wood construction, 6mm interior and exterior wood planks with a 1.13-inch inner frame, bronze tinted tempered glass door and with side windows. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Smatch Home Far Infrared Sauna. As an oversized high-quality sauna, shipping via LTL delivery and signature requested. PLS double confirm consignee's phone hash and delivery address before submitting your order. Phone not working and unreachable will result in delivery pushback even undeliverable. Carrier may fail to reach consignee for appointment, and thus the experienced buyer might reach our carrier for final delivery appointment. Our Amazon buyer and seller message center is always to answer your questions. Sample appliance safety and low chemical substance rose tested and certified by third-party TÜV. 8 low EMF heating plates, 1350 watts power, 10 to 15 minutes quick warm-up. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.